My name is Sinead, and I'm a neuroscience major at Belmont University. I was really curious to know a little bit more about how the brain worked and how that influenced development. And I saw Dr. Oliver, and he was doing work with like electrical activity in the brain. And I thought that was really cool. I kind of just wanted to get involved.
I tell my students to come up with something that's of interest to them as long as it relates to cognition. And she was really interested in early life experiences and early life stressors. Kind of together we came up with this study looking at the effects of adverse childhood experiences on brain activity and behavior in college students.
I think the cool part about Belmont is that you have a lot of opportunities to do research in class and get to really know your professors because you're formulating these research projects with them.
When they bring in their own questions, I find that oftentimes they are more excited about it. Anything that they're interested in, as long as it's feasible to collect within our population, I just allow them to choose whatever they want and we make it happen.
All of our faculty members, I feel like, are super passionate. I don't know if I would enjoy my experience as much if I didn't have the professors that I did, because I learned to really appreciate neuroscience and details that I didn't expect when I first started.